Okay, so in this video, we will see what is actually a don't care and how an expression with don't cares can be minimized using K-map. So don't cares are nothing but invalid combinations. We are representing don't cares either using the variable d or x. So consider the above example, that is you are considering two variable a and b, and this is the output y. So the possible combinations of minterms are minterm 0 0 0, minterm 1 0 1, m2, that is minterm 2 1 0, and minterm 3 it is 1 1. And as per the requirement, I am saying that for the minterm 0 and minterm 1, you should get the output as 1. And for minterm 2, the output should be 0. And for the minterm 3, the output is don't care. That is, I am not bothered about the output of that minterm. It is considered as the invalid input. Okay, the 1 1 is considered as the invalid input. Hence, the output is not bothered. That I am considering the output as D or X. So how I will represent this expression y in standard canonical SOP is that f is equal to sigma m, minterm 0 and minterm 1 gives you the value as 1. Hence sigma m 0 and 1. Sigma m 0 1 plus sigma d 1 1, because 1 1 should also be considered because it can be 1 or it can be 0. Since there is a chance of 1, we are also considering it. Hence it is sigma d within bracket the minterm 3. Okay, the invalid combinations are also considered. So it is sigma m 0 1 plus sigma d 3. And how you will represent this expression in standard canonical POS? In standard canonical POS, we are taking the max term that gives you the value 0. Hence it is pi m within bracket the max term 2. And the don't care value remains the same for POS also. Hence it is pi d. Instead of sigma d, what you're representing is pi d within bracket 3. Okay, so this is the POS representation of this truth table having don't care, and this is the standard canonical SOP representation of the table. Okay, now to become more clear, we can consider a BCD converter circuit. So BCD converter circuit is you'll be providing BCD values as the input, and you have to convert that to some other number representations. Okay. So since a BCD requires 4 bits, you require a 4 variable A, B, C and D. And if you are using a 4 variable, then the possible combinations of min terms are from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. That is from M0 to M15. But we know that the BCD values are valid only for the only from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, 1, because 0 to 9 are considered as valid BCD numbers and 1010 to 111 are invalid. So when you are when you are writing this on the truth table, these min terms M0 to M9 will get you the value as 1, output as 1, because these are valid BCD. And the remaining numbers 1010 to 111 are invalid combinations, invalid BCD numbers. Hence you can map it to either X or don't care. Okay, so that is the significance of don't care. And then if you have an expression with don't care, how you are going to plot it on the care map and how we are going to minimize it. That is what we are going to see next. So grouping of the care map with don't cares. So the first question is f is equal to f of ABCD for variable care map is equal to sigma m 137 11 15 plus sigma d 0 2 5. Which means that for the minterms 1, 3, 7, 11, 15, you will get the value as 1. And for sigma D 0, 2, 5, you're not bothered about the output, don't care. So in the K map, we are plotting 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. 1, 3, it is 1, 3, 7, 11, 15, you are plotting it as 1. And the don't care 0, 2, 5, you are putting as D. 0, it is D, 2 as D, and 5 as also D. Now you are going to group it. So when you're grouping, you can group don't cares also and make it to a bigger group. Okay, so these ones can be grouped. These ones can be grouped as a single group and it becomes a quad. And now this one, if there was no don't care, what is the only choice? This one can be grouped with this one to make it as a pair. But you can see two don't cares here and here. So you can group with don't cares and make this one grouped as a quad. Okay. Now keep in mind that, or you have to always remember that all the ones in the K map should definitely be grouped. You cannot avoid a particular one in the K map. You have to group all the ones, but you can avoid don't cares. Don't cares need not be grouped always. Okay, this D is grouped to make this one as a quad. But this don't care need not be grouped with this one to make it another group, because don't cares are invalid combinations. We don't need to bother it. We need to consider it only to make a group to a larger group. Hence, this don't cares can be grouped to this one, make it as a quad. But this don't care, we are not grouping it. So the expression contains only two quads. What is the expression for this quad? It is A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar. It is A bar, B bar, because the CD values are changing. And what about this group? AB values are changing. It is CD. So A bar, B bar plus CD. Now, what is the POS representation of this group? That is this question. What is the POS representation? It will be sigma M, the min terms which are not present in 1, 3, 7, 11, 15 as well as in 0, 2, 5. So it is these values 4, 12, 8, 9, 13 and 6, 14, 10 will have the value 0. Isn't it? See, 4, 12, 8, 13, 9, 6, 14, 10 will get the value as 0. And the don't cares remains the same, because don't cares are values are invalid combinations. It can have the value 0 or 1. Hence, in SOP as well as in POS, the don't cares remains the same. Hence, the don't care locations are 0, 2 and 5 itself. So 0 is a D, 0 is a D, 2 is a D and 5 is also D. Okay, now we are going to group this. So these two columns can be grouped and make it as a octet. So this becomes an octet. Now this 0 can be paired with these zeros to make it as a quad. So here also we are not grouping this don't care. Okay, so what is the representation of this quad? You can see that A, B are changing, and now when we analyze C and D value, D remains the same. Since D is 0, it is D itself. So it is D itself. Now this quad, it is A bar plus C bar. Sorry, it is A bar plus C, because C value is 0. C is 0, hence it is C. So A bar plus C. So D dot A bar plus C is the minimized expression for the POS of this question. Okay, so these are the various types of questions that can be asked for Carnot map. That is, you may be asked with the sigma value alone to find the minimized SOP, or you will be given with a sigma pi, not sigma, pi value, product of some value. So you need to plot zeros to get the result. Otherwise, you will be given the question with the don't cares also. Okay, so these are the three types of, four types. Sigma value, first type, pi value, second type, sigma value with the don't care, third type, pi value with the don't care. Okay, so these are the four types of questions that can be asked for K-map minimization. Hope that is clear. So in the next video, we will see how the minimization is done using tabular method. Okay.